you're comparing fractions, right? You can use these models, you can use these circles to compare whether which fraction is greater, which one is less, or which one is equal. Or you can use the butterfly method. The butterfly method is to multiply these two numbers, right? And write down the product here and then multiply these two numbers. And write the product here. Whichever side has the greatest number, this has a 6 is greater. So you would say that half is greater than 1/6. Or you can use this thing, shade it, and see which which is greater. So obviously half is greater than 1/6. You can color the fraction to help yourself to find out which one is greater, less than, or equal to, or use the butterfly method. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do the next one. Let's do question number 2. Let's shade 1 out of 8. And here let's shade 15 out of 16. So just leave the 1 and color the whole thing. So it seems like this is greater. 1/8 is listed, 15 out of 16. And if you will use the butterfly method, you will do 15 out of 16. I'm going to write it here just for the clear thing, like just to see clearly. So let's multiply 15 times 8. So 15 times 8, 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So that's 120. And then 16 times 1 is 16. So 120 is greater than 16. So 15 out of 15 over 16 is greater. Can you do rest of the questions now?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's do question number 3, please.